The deadly danger of teeth grinding. Teeth grinding is a clenching behavior during sleep. Stress causes teeth grinding. It wears down your teeth and can cause jaw joint pain. It triggers acid reflux and worsens bad breath. Teeth grinding leads to the onset and worsening of sleep apnea. Review your lifestyle habits to eliminate teeth grinding. Consult a dentist and use a mouthguard. Do not ignore teeth grinding, seek early treatment.
Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.